know if the DICT is I know the DICT is in control of that Wi-Fi, but I don't know. I think it's in the cell phone because I'm just using my cell phone. Even though the duration of the videos that I'm uploading is 10 minutes or negative 10 minutes, I have a hard time uploading it. So I think for other parts, I think in going to digging the vlog that I went to dig and plant crops in the garden, my day 2, it is only 3 days. 3 days have passed already, and still the videos that I'm uploading is still uploading. To be honest, it is far faster and better using my data, but it requires maybe 1,000 pesos to load the SIM card in order to have many gigabytes of data to upload the videos. Honestly, this past 3 weeks, it has been continuously raining during afternoon and evening. So I'll only burn those that will be burned, and those that are not going to be burned I'll just throw them down. Yeah, I'll just throw them down because I need to plant crops in it. So that this would be my last